Everyone, I wanted to jump on here to tell you about my Greenstalk. This is the first one I ever got. I did end up getting another one for Christmas, but I just wanted to show you how crazy my Greenstalk is thriving. So we have a bunch of garlic. This is elephant garlic. I did a test and did, I believe, 6 or 7 in the Greenstalk, and I did a couple in these, and the Greenstalk ones were the only ones that really popped up. So that just goes to show you that the Greenstalk is thriving. And I've never planted garlic before, so I am feeling definitely like a green thumb. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, and then let me see. I also, these were 2 that I started very late, and I put them in here, and they're growing now too. So if you were wondering, if you're having trouble with garlic and you were wondering how or what to do to change for this coming year, definitely plant it in the Greenstalk if you have one. Now, I also come to find out that my strawberries overwintered. So I've had this outside in the same spot all year long. Now, I had strawberry plants in there last year, and they grew a couple, but not much. This year, if you look at the size of these plants, this is insane. And they are so healthy. It is crazy. Like this one plant, again, the beginning of April, which is still cold in Texas, this one plant has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strawberries on this. This one has 4. This one's a little behind. This one has, well, there's a little flower in there too. 3. Now this one's thriving. Jeez Louise! Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, and then this one was just one that shot off a runner. So, I am truly amazed at the growth of the strawberries, because obviously these plants are so healthy. There's, like, I'm pretty sure as we get settled, once we move in the next week, I'm going to plant a bunch more strawberry plants in the top of this Greenstalk, because they're thriving too well in this thing to not plant more. I'm just amazed. I just wanted to show you guys because, again, never planted garlic before, and they're thriving, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to get a really good harvest out of them. They should be ready come May, and then the strawberries, of course. I'm going to overwinter these bad boys again next year, just so that I can have even bigger and healthier plants, because I'm guessing that's the key.